everybody, my name's Brie Richards. My pronouns are she, her. I work with an amazing nonprofit consulting firm called Contour Strategies. We work with clients all over the country on fundraising and development, sustainable giving within your nonprofit. I am a professional grant writer with Contour Strategies, and I've been doing grant writing for a little over 15 years now. Our learning lab is sort of a 101 crash course on setting up a sustainable grant program. We're going to start with the very basics of how to even find a funder who's a fit for you, prospect research, where to look, how to find out more about that funder. We're going to talk about building relationships with foundations and grant makers. But what I'm most excited about is the opportunity to actually write a grant together. I think anyone doing any kind of fundraising at a nonprofit would definitely benefit from attending this learning lab. Even if you aren't writing grants, it's still helpful just to learn about what's needed. So a couple of my team members are joining us from Contour Strategies. Our founder and principal executive of Contour Strategies, Andy Sears, he's going to be joining us. And then my colleague, Haley Paplinski, who is a lead strategist at Contour Strategies as well. They are very, very experienced in fundraising for nonprofits in general, particularly around capital campaigns, sustainable major gifts programs, annual giving. They have years and years of experience, and I'm excited for them to come too and kind of talk about the other offerings that Contour Strategies can help nonprofits with. And then also we're really privileged to be able to have the Dean of the Pamplin School of Business join us as well to talk a little bit more about the MBA program for nonprofit management. The Learning Lab is going to be on September 20th. It's a Friday from 9 a.m. to noon. It is going to be in person, which we're so excited about. So it'll be at UP's campus. It is totally free to attend. And if you want to register for it, there'll be a link below, or you can go to business.up.edu to find that link to register. We hope to see you there.